Hey everyone, my name is Will. I'm the CEO of Phonely, and today we're going to go through a quick platform tutorial of how you can send information from Phonely to your systems after the call is completed. So how you can send a transcript, the summary, the call recording, or even the dashboard URL over to your Slack, your email, your CRM in just a few seconds inside of Phonely. So to do this, we will have a flow that we've already created. I'm working on one here. So let's say that we add maybe one more block, and at this stage of this block, I want to add a post call action. So every time that the conversation gets to this block, what I want to do is I want to send a Slack notification to myself letting me know that somebody got here. So let's pretend that this is somebody inquiring about an appointment. I want to get their phone number. I want to get their name and their email and a summary of the conversation sent directly to Slack after the call has finished. To do that, it's super easy. We just click on the side button here that says Add Post Call Action. Now, the post call action can be one of a variety of different things, but in our situation, we're simply just going to connect this to Slack. To do that, we just click the connect to Slack button here, and then we will directly have an integration inside of Slack. And after that is done, that is complete. And now what we can do is we can select from any one of our channels here, and then let's say we want to send in the customer updates. We can use any of the information that Phonely has pre-populated, which is listed in these variables, which can be everything from a call summary to maybe the call transcript, which we can search for here, the transcript, which we can put in there. Maybe you want to do the recording. We also have a handy feature where you can type @ in here. You can see it pull up right there. So maybe we're going to say call, I think it's a recording, maybe it's recording URL. We have the dashboard. We can do any one of those features, and we can also use any of the live variables that we gathered in our previous block. So in this block here, we gathered the caller's name, the caller's email, caller's phone number. Well, we can format that, send that information directly over to Slack in just a few seconds, and it really is just that easy. Now, if you want to add an additional node, well, that's no problem as well. We can also shoot over an email to anyone we would like, or we can use any of that information that we gathered here to maybe send an email to the caller, letting them know, hey, this is what has occurred on this call. You can make that in just a few seconds. Now, the key differentiation between these things that happen on the right, which are post call, and the nodes that go this way, is that the things that happen on the post call, well, they happen after the conversation, but what they also do is they allow us to pass in stuff that we would analyze from the conversations done. So that is where you get the real value out of it. If you need to store the transcript, you need to store the summary, you really need to store any of that information, the post call is where it's at. Now, a lot of these things you can actually do, like you can do Slack in the real-time integration. The only thing you're missing out is what actually happened in that call, the summary, all of that stuff. It's just not executing real-time in it. So that is the difference between live call and between post-call interactions. We see a lot of our customers that are linking these to the very beginning. Maybe every single time they want to store into the CRM. So this means that every single call, they're going to get an update in that CRM after that call is concluded. And you can just do that right there.